What's up, guys? So past couple days, took off my carbs to clean them. Yeah, pardon me, I'm sick, so I sound like the abominable snowman. Yeah. Anyway, so I took off my carbs to clean them, and the two of the O-rings that seat against the float, they connect the float to the actual carbs. Those were completely ruined, like eaten up by gas or whatever. And I was like, fuck, I didn't want to order them, so I put it back on. Didn't work, of course. Like, too much gas was getting through. So I also didn't want to order them and have it take forever. So I actually went to Home Depot and I just kind of sized the match. I didn't really know the size, but I just matched them up by eye. And I got some, what the hell? It was like $1.50 for 8 O-rings. Put 4 new ones in. This is my first ride since I've cleaned, and I adjusted my air fuel screws by ½ of a turn each. They were off. And yeah, this is the first ride. So far it feels basically the same, not gonna lie. It feels maybe a little tiny bit smoother, like not as jerky, like lower down in the RPM range. But I mean, all around it feels the same. Oh yeah, and the other thing that was happening when I put in the damaged O-rings was I started leaking gas from the overflow tube on my bike. So that's another thing I have to check for whenever I stop. One thing I noticed so far is, don't go, fuck you, I think I might have had a little bit of a dead spot. Before around, I want to say around 6,000 or 7,000 RPM. That it would kind of skip. Like I'd be accelerating to get on the freeway or whatever. I'd be going, it would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it would kind of just like bog out a little bit. It would just be like, and then when it would hit 7, it would kind of pick back up. So that was weird, but I'm not sure if I still have that. Well guys, overall I think not too much of a difference, maybe a little bit more smoother. But yeah, thanks for watching this short little clip, and bye. What's up guys? This is gonna be the part 2, I guess, of my test drive. I'm gonna go to work right now. Oh, it's so bright. So far so good. And I'm still sick and I'm hungry as balls. Chevy Aveo. yeah, I've been thinking about selling my car and getting a supermoto, and it's probably going to be around the years of 2000 will be like the oldest one I want to buy, maybe a little older, and probably the newest one I could afford would be like 2004 or 5 or something. And I'm looking at the DRZ 400s and the WR 400 or 426 or 450s, if I can get one. And as far as the tires, I want the street tires, the spokes ones. I don't want the ones that are like they have 3 points. I don't want those. It's not my style. This guy has a neck and face tattoo and a chihuahua. The fuck? Man, what the fuck? Alright, hey, pull over here. Yeah. Damn, I'm just glad. That's all good. I'm just glad you didn't hit me harder.
Thank God I didn't. I was like, what the fuck are you? Because I could see the car over there.
Dude just hit me because I mean, I understand he couldn't see. It wasn't that bad, but I think he only fucked up my license plate. I'm not sure. It's dark. It's later. I'm off work. Going back to the intersection where I got fucked in the ass earlier. Right there. But my bike's good for the most part. It's just like kind of broke my tail light a little bit. Hit my exhaust, but I think it's just kind of loose now. I don't think it's damaged, but I'm not sure. And yeah, just broke my license plate, so nothing too bad. I'm gonna report it just cause I wanna fix it. Mostly I just want him to fix my tail light. It's cold. And just that's kind of broken. And that's pretty much it. I don't know. Take a look tomorrow. But thanks for watching. Bye-bye.